What's up, Dakota boys? Got a good one for you today. You know how the driver's seat on the buckets, they always freaking wear out, and the Dakotas, the driver's side seat foam just deteriorates? You can't buy the freaking foam. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. One of these seat covers, if you have a hook, it's a little, well, it broke. Nope. Just gotta be careful, don't break them. Just gotta push on it real good. Get it. It has like a little fish hook on the other side. It's got like a hook. So once you get that off, the rest of them are the same way. Right across the side. For the sides. The side's a little easier because you can move that wire out of your way. There we go. You got one up here. So once you get these little clips off around, all the way around the back, just push them down out of your way, and then you can get a hold of this big one in the front. Once you get it started, it comes off. Okay, cool. Now we'll start pulling this going. Just kind of roll it off. Get it up out of your way. Make sure your little clips are haven't caught. Get that out. Get it off the back. And get it loose. And then the back, just so you know, in the back you got a double clip right here. There you go. That way you can slide it through. Get that off. Prop the seat back up. We'll peel this out around. Remember, you got the Velcro on the seat. So you got the Velcro on the seat. Try not to tear it up too much. Your seat Velcro's got cloth on it. You don't want to pull it out of the foam. Just give it a good yank. Oh. There we go. Now you can get the foam out. Once you get it all loose, that is. The foam will come right out. Whoops. My back is up in my way. Cool. Gotta get the little ears. It has little ears in the back. You gotta get them around that middle bar. Nope. Turn it around where you can see it. So you gotta, these little tabs right here, see this? You gotta get that out and make sure it doesn't get ripped when you pull through. Just be careful with it. Blah blah. Get the seat out of the way. And there's your perfectly good foam for the Dodge Dakota out of the passenger seat. Cool. Now you just take your time and you put it inside the driver's seat. Do the same process, take it apart. So your driver's seats, the foam always lets go right here. So now that we got this out of the passenger side seat, the foam right here is perfect. You know what I'm saying? So is all you do is reverse. Tear all this apart, stick your foam back in there. Make sure your little ears don't get tore, you know, when you push them back in there. You gotta get the backs in first, and then re-stretch your material, and you'll be good to go, like brand new, bro. This is what happens with the Dakota seats, is this foam just deteriorates. It breaks down from getting in and out of the truck. Once you get the cover off, this is the driver's seat. You just slide this out, chuck it in the trash, bro. Make sure all your springs in good shape, of course. Driver's seat's a little different. But see all this foam? You know, you can get all this foam off and just throw it in the trash. The seat's still in good condition. The seat cover. If your cover's messed up, you can always use the passenger side seat cover. I wouldn't recommend taking the bolts out and taking the back off and just switching. I don't recommend that because it's spring loaded, you know. See what I'm saying? It's got a spring on it. You can start messing with that spring, man, it gets your fingers all messed up. So you just take your new foam, set it in there. And like I said, this is a little different on the driver's side than the passenger side. You got those little wings that stick out. Just kind of pull them through. Like I said, it does have a little difference to it. Not by much though. There we go. It's sitting in there where it's supposed to be. Cool beans. Yeah, it is a little wore, but it's in still good. Now this is going to be the inner well, or the inner lip. You know, so you're not going to be messing with this. Got a little bit of damage on the seat cushion itself. So on this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use the passenger side. Like I said, it is the exact same. Well, I mean, this one here has got the two louvers or holes, but it's not going to hurt anything. But see, this foam on the inside is in good shape. So just got to get it started. Takes a little work, a little finessing to get the cloth back on there. Now, like I said, you can go the rough route and disconnect the back. I don't recommend that because of those big freaking mean springs. But for a quick install, now you work your own, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not a freaking upholstery guy. I'm just letting you know, this right here should have been over a little farther. Not a big deal. But now this driver's seat has new foam. You can't buy this foam. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we save money. Cool. All right, guys. See you, man.